Septic tank smell from shower drain, 6 fixes that work instantly. A septic tank smell from shower drain can make your bathroom unpleasant and uncomfortable. The bad odor is usually caused by sewer gases, clogged drains, plumbing issues, or septic system problems. The good news is that many of these issues can be fixed quickly without expensive repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 6 simple solutions that can help remove the smell and keep your shower drain fresh. 1. Run water down the drain. If the shower has not been used for a while, the water in the drain trap may have evaporated. This allows sewer gases to enter the bathroom. What to do? Run the shower for a few minutes. Let enough water flow into the drain. This often stops the smell immediately. 2. Clean the shower drain. Hair, soap scum, and dirt can build up inside the drain and create foul odors over time. What to do? Remove the drain cover. Pull out any visible debris. Rinse with hot water. Regular cleaning helps prevent odors from returning. 3. Use baking soda and vinegar. This natural cleaning method helps remove odor-causing bacteria and buildup. What to do? Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the drain. Add 1 cup of vinegar. Wait 15 minutes. Flush with hot water. This simple solution is safe for most septic systems. 4. Check the plumbing vent. A blocked vent pipe can cause sewer gases to back up through the shower drain. What to do? Inspect the vent for leaves, nests, or debris. Remove any blockage if it is safe to do so. A clear vent helps your plumbing system work properly. 5. Look for leaks or damaged seals. Cracked pipes or worn seals can allow unpleasant odors to escape. What to do? Check around the drain and nearby pipes. Replace damaged seals if needed. Fixing small leaks can make a big difference. 6. Inspect the septic tank. If the smell continues, the septic tank may be full or need maintenance. What to do? Schedule a septic inspection. Pump the tank if necessary. Regular maintenance helps prevent future odor problems. A septic tank smell from shower drain is a common issue, but it can often be fixed with simple steps. Running water, cleaning the drain, checking vents, and maintaining your septic system are effective ways to eliminate bad odors. By addressing the problem early, you can keep your bathroom clean, fresh, and odor-free. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.